everyone, it's Amy. Today's video is me. This is it. This is the video. Plus, it's like a little vlog. I'm gonna like decorate the bathroom if I feel like it. Okay, my mirror's dirty, but it's a few. Oh my gosh, I had no idea there's a hole right here. Ignore that. I felt like doing it like the 26th, and the day I was filming this video was the 25th. So yesterday, and it's the 27th right now, I decorated the bathroom with some stuff I got for Christmas. So I got some vines and some fairy lights, so I just decorated it. And all the other stuff I had already. I did that. This is a sunset lamp, so I have it shining the lights off. This is like my favorite color right now. And I didn't really use my sunset lamp before the bathroom, so I'm hoping to be able to use it more with this, and it just goes with the vibe. Right here I have my Scentsy wax melt thing. I have to change it, but yeah. And then I have an incense holder with some crystals because I don't display my crystals as much as I'd like, and I want other people to see them, so I have them right here. I have soap. I eventually want to get like a reusable one, just refill it. But I have this little like, what is this called again? Palette, like it's a little cute mini palette. So yeah, my fairy lights kind of don't stay. I got this basket with a gift set, and this was like in it. So I just put like my everyday essentials like toothpaste, my floss, lotion. I don't have a bathtub, but I just saw them there. Q-tips and a lighter for my incense. There's this I have to put onto my sink because I asked for it for Christmas. And then I just have like, this was already there, but basically I put like scrunchies, and I got this headband for Christmas, skincare headband, so I got it. Headbands. I have my brush, deodorant, curl cream thing. And then I also have the vines and the fairy lights all around the bathroom. Not the fairy lights, I got them to like over here, and they wouldn't stay stuck getting near here. Like I stopped right there and they kept falling down, so I just gave up. I have this little crate that I bought a while ago. I need more toilet paper, literally on the last 2 rolls, and my boyfriend will not go to the store. But yeah. And then down here, my perfume, my little mini fridge for skincare, and then more hair accessories. And that's basically it. I'm gonna start taking my Instagram photos right here because they're so nice. Like this area. So beware for that. Follow me on Instagram. Tucked by Amy. It's in my link tree thing. I still can't get over this little hole. Okay, bye guys. Go back to the past now. But I'm basically, I want to save all my scraps because this is all tangled up. So I'm making a scrap ball to cake later. Stay up. This video is gonna be very chaotic, I'll tell you that right now. Oh my goodness, it won't stay up. Oh my gosh. No, can't tell that. Oh yeah. But I'm making a yarn ball to cake up later. And this has been happening a lot. I started this earlier, and I was gonna film the video earlier. Why is my like camera like being all weird? Because I got these shelves for Christmas, but I just decided not to film. I don't know why. So yeah, this is yarn that's not caked up because the skein was like intact or like pretty good. So I was gonna cake all my yarn, but I'm not gonna do that today because it's just too much. But the yarn that's like this big, I'm gonna save to cake up and not do it into a scrap cake, if that makes sense. So yeah, so we'll see how far we get. I have a couple that were like caked already before, but they're kind of like not amazing, but I'm just gonna deal with it. So yeah, let's just put the time lapse on right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Crazy, right? My boyfriend's upstairs caking yarn. But that was the box with a whole bunch of stuff in it. That's like finished projects and like stacking up all the projects I find, like finished things on that chair, on my boyfriend's gaming chair, so I can film a everything I crocheted in 2021. So yeah, obviously it's not everything because there's more stuff in there, you know, we'll get there. And I sold things and I gave things away, so yeah. There's my sunset lamp, which I want to start using for videos more. And I think this is where I'm going to start filming. So, yeah, and I'm going to give like a tour of this in a separate video. But those are cakes that I've been finding along the way. There's yarn I'm just not going to cake right now. So, yeah, this is a whole bunch of scraps. I want to make a sweater out of them and maybe a blanket if I have enough left. Maybe I'll do a blanket then a sweater, but there's still a lot of scraps I can find, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate it when my hair does this. I'm also breaking out really bad. But I want to start doing more lifestyle videos, not just crochet, like maybe like vlogs and stuff. Also, this is where I'm like, I have all my order stuff, like my printer, my poly mailers, my bubble mailers, and then like just packaging and sticker and thank you cards and stuff. This is my vanity right next to it, and it's always a mess. But I think this is where I'm going to start actually packing my orders instead of on my bed and like actually filming and making my videos good. My phone's on the charger, so there's just so much I can like show you guys, but I'm going to get this floor clean soon. I'm going to put some music on, Taylor Swift. Also, I cut my finger earlier, so yeah. There's my Squishmallow slippers. I'm going to get this area clean, so yeah. I said that already. Oh my gosh, I'm being repetitive. Okay, here's an update clip video thing. So basically, my boyfriend is already getting tired of, I hate that people, getting tired of winding up yarn. His brother's like helping him, but yeah, this is what the floor looks like. I definitely need a vacuum, but this is my laundry. This is like cotton yarn that I don't know what I'm doing with yet. My vanity's a mess still. The bed's a mess, but not as bad. There's stuff on the floor. It's bad, but it's not as bad as it was earlier. And I think I didn't realize I had this much stuff that I made this year. That's not even all of it. So I think I was using these boxes as trash, but I might just I might break them down, put them in this trash bag, and then use the box to put all my projects in until I film my video. Okay, it's a few days later. I'm like in such a better mood. I feel like cleaning. My room's a mess, which is not good. My hair's like kind of super curly because I took a shower this morning and I put some curl stuff in it. I've been trying to like hold off on putting curl like products in my hair because I'm running out of my favorite one. So yeah, and I don't know where they sell it like in the store because every time I look in the store they don't have it anymore. I have a tape measure in my hand, by the way. But they have it online, but I don't like ordering things online. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with. I have my bed, and then I want to put my clothes up because they've been in this basket for like weeks, and like as you can see, like it's just not good. These are all my projects for the year. I'm gonna like start taking Instagram photos inside with them on because a lot of them are tank tops, and yeah, so that's why they're there. Yeah. Okay, a little warning, it doesn't look amazing, but I decided to like not fold my clothes first, but I did make my bed. But there's a whole bunch of clothes on my bed right now, and there's a snack, but besides that, I have like a project I want to work on right there. Right here is always a mess. It's always going to be one. It's next to my vanity, so just gotta deal with that. But now you can see my new bookshelf. Before you couldn't, and it's a tree bookshelf. I got it for Christmas. Super cute. There's my projects that I finished. There's more in the closet, but these are the ones I can find. I have to vacuum like really bad. It's so bad. Since I have to vacuum, I'm just gonna throw that on the floor. And then I have like my small business supplies right there, like my printer for my small business and poly mailers, some yarn, some caked up yarn. There's more yarn over there. There's scrap yarn right there, a bag of scrap yarn right there, more yarn in there. My laundry basket finally like empty. It's not empty, but it's all the clothes that were piling up in the corner. So yeah, that's basically it. The floor's so bad. I have my ring light up there. My desk is like organized. Those are my tabs I have to use for my books. I forgot to put over there, but I'm gonna start filming over here more so I don't keep getting stuck on my bed. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and I moved my Squishmallows over there. This is my boyfriend's stuff. I was gonna clean it for him, but I've been cleaning all day. I cleaned the kitchen and the living room, so I really don't feel like cleaning up his mess too. But yeah, that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit more chaotic than normal. My videos are still a little bit chaotic, but not as much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we have 139 subscribers. I want 150 by time New Year's is here, but I don't think that's gonna happen, but we can still try. We still have like 2 or 3 days. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.